everybody, it's Tioka with Vagabond Culture, your #1 source for everything travel, adventure, and lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you're notified every time I post a new video. Hey, what's up everybody? It's about 11:15 and Khari and I,
what's up?
My little cousin, on our way to Hanging Rock. He's never been hiking before. Then we're going to go ziplining. How you feel, Khari, about going hiking?
I feel good, even though it's my first time, so I'll be really happy when I go hiking. Hopefully I don't get scared.
There's nothing to be scared about. I think you'll like it. What about ziplining? You scared about ziplining?
No.
You're not scared? You're not afraid of heights?
No.
No. Would you bungee jump? Is that something you would do?
No.
Why would you bungee jump?
Turn left onto Hanging Rock Park Road. Continue on Hanging Rock Park Road for 3 miles.
What about skydiving? Would you jump out of a plane?
Probably not. It would be fun to jump out of a plane, but I gotta get practice first.
You gotta get practice.
Yeah, so I
practice.
So and when I know when I do the parachute thing, I'll just have a weird feeling coming down on skydiving.
A weird feeling.
Yeah. My name's Khari. Everything we're doing today is my first time. And I'm spending the time with my dad for the summer, so I just decided to go with my cousin.
This is one of the easiest yet forgotten tips. Don't forget to always tell someone when and where you're hiking at all times. Before we left, I told Khari's dad and all of my friends where we would be hiking. So Khari and I are on the hiking trail. The Hanging Rock State Park. So we won't be doing too much today, maybe 4 or 5 miles. We should have started early, but I left everything at home for the trip. So I was unprepared. Timing is everything. I highly recommend starting your hike as early as possible to avoid the crowd and change in temperature. Conversely, if you're scared to hike alone and want to hike with people on the trail, leave at a popular time. Pick a hike for beginners and then advance as you become familiar with the activity. There are a ton of great resources to find a trail, websites, and smartphone apps. The biggest mistake beginners make is overdoing it. If you're just starting out, pick a hike under 5 miles with minimal climbing.
Four to 6 days later.
What took you so long?
I'm tired. Listen, I'm 32, not 10. Steady is better than quick. Conserve your energy, especially on a long hike.
Always go around in a circle.
Mm-hmm.
So if it leaves, it's gonna come right back.
Will it?
See?
Oh yes, the beautiful butterflies, but you come across some other insects as well. Spray on insect repellent as a good measure of protection before you head out. He's so cute. What breed is he or her?
Golden Doodle.
Golden Doodle. Oh, look at the little shoes. Oh, too cute. You guys have a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you enjoy my videos and have subscribed to my channel, you'll love my Instagram page. Be sure to follow me for amazing travel and adventure photos and videos. Follow me on Instagram at Vagabond Culture. I post weekly. Huh? Yeah, you gotta walk through the water. All right. You all right? Be careful. You got it? Khari, like many others, prefer to wear shorts and tank tops when hiking, but I'll give you my hiking gear for beginners recommendations. Whew. Did you touch the water? Yeah. It's cold, isn't it? Yeah. It's very cold. I'm gonna go up there. Okay. The nice thing about beginning hiking is that you really don't need special gear. Jeans are too heavy. Wear workout clothes. Long pants and long sleeve shirts will protect you from the elements. Also, good pair of sneakers is usually best.
So we're really close to the waterfall, guys. I can hear it. Left and right.
Because this hike was so basic, we only depended on trail markers, but make a good habit of studying your map before hiking.
As you can see, people's already hiking over there.
Be sure to bring more water than needed and snacks. As you can see, Khari's been snacking on fruit the whole time. And also extra layers. This plum is so good. I saw that and I got it on camera. Good job, Khari. I think you're nervous. I dare you.
Give me $2 if I do it.
I give you $2.
Okay.
He's going in, you guys. All for $2. 1, 2, 3, go. Get under there, Khari. Is it cold?
Yes. It's cold. I'm so cold.
You're so cold. You'll be dry by the time we get to the car.
Let's go over there where that great view was.
Okay, let's go.
We're here at the waterfall. When we get to the car, all I'm gonna do is relax.
You tired?
Yeah. Really tired.
Did you get some good exercise?
Yeah.
Khari's going ziplining for the first time.
You're so jacked up. Coming in hot.
Makes it more fun.
Wear comfortable clothing and shoes that surround your feet. Because you will be in a harness, you will want to make sure that you're wearing pants or shorts long enough to get past the harness and shirts that cover your shoulders. This will prevent the harness from coming in direct contact with your skin.
Alright, cool.
Most places allow you to secure your phone and keys at the office. Others may provide bags to attach to your gear where you can store your belongings. Are you guys enjoying it?
Yes.
Yes.
For sure.
Step right up here.
All right, BB.
Hey! Alright, go and hop down for me. Alright, and then dust your head underneath. Perfect. Alright, great.
Let's see if she hits the tree.
No?
Woo! I meet new friends everywhere that I go. B is ironically a YouTuber just like myself. You obviously have at least one thing in common, so don't be afraid to mingle. Thank you guys so much. It's always a great experience.
That was really fun to watch.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
That was fun. How you feel?
Good.
You like that one?
Yeah.
That was really fun. The helmet is all over the place. Michigan! Woo! Do something different, something amazing. Try everything until you find your niche. You only fail when you stop trying. Hopefully this survivor kit helps the beginners. This is just basic information, so let me know if I forgot anything. So let's hear that review, Khari. Khari? Look up Khari, say cheese.
This is Carolina Ziplines. You'll meet two of your best guides here. Zack, one the more fun one.
I'm Taylor.
Definitely the more smart one. Come by, you'll have a great time.
We're open year round. 9, 11, 2, 4, and 6.
If you like dad jokes, you're in the right place.
Hope to see you soon.
Thank you guys so much for watching my entire video and leaving a comment below. Please let me know if you have any travel or adventure video suggestions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you're notified every time I post a new video. See you next time!